Welcome back, everybody. Today we got a 2012 Ford Transit Connect with the 2.0 liter, and we are going to be showing you how to replace your cooling fan assembly. They get you set up and ready to rock and roll here. It's much easier to get to it from the bottom, so that's what we're going to do. Got my jacks on both sides on the safe jack point, and we're just going to jack the vehicle up. My bad, wanted to know how you pop this hood real quick. For anybody who may not know, you flip your Ford emblem up, insert your key, turn it left, it'll pop, turn it right, it'll unlatch and lift up. Grab a flashlight here, get on our creeper, and see what we need. Alright, so this thing has a noticeable leak from the oil sender, and it looks like this is just held in here with some 10mm coolant leak. Nice, see it there around the drain valve. Cool. All right, well, we're gonna call them and let them know about that and that real quick, and be back in a second. All right, we're gonna let them ponder on that for a few and keep on with this fan. I got a trim removal tool and 10mm socket and resin. Gonna get me another light. Alright. Doesn't look like you have to take these all the way off, just back them out. Well, not a whole lot of thread on it, so ours just came all the way off. Got one. Can't see. Turn the light. And it is up there. Hit the locking trigger on my ratchet here. All right. And she is off. Rolled away from me. And then it should just push right up out of its own. We're gonna have to disconnect the fan. Just a little locking tab. Pull back. And she is out. There's probably a main disconnect somewhere that we could just put. Well, no, there's not, so we will do it this way. This side is top side for that plug, so we're gonna hop up there real quick and unplug her. This guy right here. Just simply lift the grab with 2 hands, maybe. Mine's mine was in there good. Got it out. Trim removal tool. Right here, the harness is clipped into the, oh, well, mine's broken, so we don't have to worry about that. But if yours is not broken, you need to pop this clip to get the harness off. But, you know, the elements have handled that for me. Then you lift up, out. Try to avoid getting crap in your face. See where you're at, and then you're just gonna wiggle her out of here. Might get hung up on some stuff. Might need to move it out of the way. But she will ultimately come out of there. We're hung. Oh, my plug's caught right here. Oh, I missed a plug top side. Pop that off. And unplug this. My fault, y'all. I missed this. It happens. And she's out. That's it. Your fan is out. Now you can inspect the radiator. And that's it. And we're gonna get the new fan and put her back in here. Pretty quick, pretty easy. I don't know if they're gonna wanna address any of this stuff. This guy might just be a little loose. And this is definitely leaking, so we're gonna need a new oil sensor. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, back with you. Got the fan. This beautifully packaged box here. Golly.
Come on.
What in the boot? Alright, so you gotta pay attention when you're buying these, because some will come without the controller and some with it, and it's just a great idea to replace your controller at the same time. So, that's her. Get a glove. Oh. Whoa, Nelly. All right. Now you want to try to not catch any of these plugs on your way back in. So I just move mine up out the way. Right. Try to set you down so you can watch it. Or try to watch me. Finagle. Bendo. Sweet. Yeah. And putting these back in is kind of a tight squeeze, so you just gotta wiggle them on up in there. Pull some of your hoses out of the way. There's tabs on top here. Kind of hard to see it all the way up there. And that tab has to sit down in the groove. Like so. See it in there? And damn near impossible to see this one, but it's up there. All right, now just make sure our, I'll take you off zoom, man. Plugs go back in. Oh, what's up? Oh man, yeah, sorry, the front door is yeah. Had a guy that I hired hold on to a key, and I think he's been coming in here. I believe so, but hired and fired. Nope. I'm just gonna put our 10s back on.
Want me to put them clothes in that office?
Yeah, that's fine, man.
I just hung them up over there. I didn't know. Did you bring any clothes?
I really didn't have none from the holidays, bro. Just
Take it easy, huh?
at the house doing Jack Diddley.
That gets old after a while.
Oh man, hell yeah, it does. Sick of it. My stud came out, so I gotta slip that back in. Give me a second. Yeah, I'm taking it out on everybody. All right, got my 2 tons back in, and
Want me to sign your name, Jason?
yeah, it's fine. Hit top side here and put these plugs in, and we're done. All right. Now we just gotta plug in our plugs top side. One, and this one kind of sucks. Sucks real bad. Might actually just reach up from the bottom and plug that one in. And a weird spot over there. Yep, all the way up there. I gotta put this down. It's in. The other plug is right under this bracket, so it's easier to reach from the bottom and plug it back in. Just needed 2 hands to do it, so I apologize for not filming that, but that's it. Fans in, lower these jacks, test it out, and send it on its way. Thanks for watching.